to my channel, everybody. How has been your days? This is Coach Fat Joe TV channel. And in this channel, we are going to be looking at two things. I have told you that health is wealth. We are going to be checking it. And also spiritual aspect, which I come here this morning to give you the spiritual tips of how you can make it in life. And I've told you that my great-grandfather taught me a lot of things. And if I just keep quiet like this, without telling you, it is very bad. That's why I'm giving you all this. And I'm going to be releasing it. You'll be checking my video. You can even watch this video 2 times, 3 times, 4 times to get my point, because I don't want you to miss any of the points. And today, this work that we want to involve ourselves in does not concern anyone working under someone. If you are working under someone, this work is not for you. Only those that are self-employed. Self-employed people, listen to me right now. And I want to tell you, whether you are a tailor, whether you are a barber, whether you are a hairdresser, whether you have your company, you are selling some things, maybe children's wears, and markets are not selling. Things are not moving. Customers are not rolling in. The very best thing for you to do is to listen to me right now and pay good attention to what I want to say. And immediately you put this practice in order, things will start moving well for you and smoothly. I bet it. I have told you that if you have any comment or any contribution or anything you want to say, just comment in the comment section below. And also, when you have any question or you are already in a junction that you don't understand where to go or what to do, what you are going to do is to just go straight, check my Gmail account, codefatjoe at Gmail account. Just send me a message. I'm going to read it and give me your contact there. I'm going to call you. So when it happens like that, it is very necessary that you listen to instruction. If you are working under someone and you say you want to try this, you are just wasting your own time, because this thing will be working for your boss. If it works for your boss, definitely boss may not be able to even look at you that you are the one in charge. So the best thing, don't waste your time. But if you are working for yourself, or you have a shop, or you have some, and markets are not selling, listen to me, markets are not selling, things are not moving fine, and you are not selling, listen to what I want to say. And before I go to the real part, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As you are looking at me, you are subscribing already, I know, I believe. Subscribe to this channel, like and comment. When you comment, it give me good morale. The morale, it increase my morale to do more and to give you this. Let's go to the real fact straight. And what we are going to do is to get this. I know all of you know this. This is candle, but we have a lot of colors of candle. But this one is white. Is white. White. It doesn't cost much. Just go to any body selling near you and you get a candle. And this white candle, I just make it to show you that it's white. You are going to get 3 of these. That's why I said maybe probably you can watch this video 2 times or 3 times, 4 times, so that you understand this better. I don't want you to miss any step on this. So this is it. Is 1 candle, but it's 3 that you are going to use. Then you are going to get a plate. You are going to get a plate. A plate like, I've told you that these 3 candles that you are going to use, and this is a plate. Then now I want to tell you, why are we using white candle? Why are we using white candle? You are in your shop, you are in your working place, you are there. Your angel is not connecting with the angels of the customers. They must see each other and connect, because the power of universe must work on your behalf. The law of nature must work for you. The force of attraction, what we attract wealth to you, must come to your direction. So what we attract customers to, good customers. I'm telling you, those people that will buy your goods, that will give you good contracts, that will give you what you need in a day, that you will not lack any customers. And I want to tell you that immediately you are seeing these customers, get your pen, retain them. How do you retain them? You write their name and their phone number down. So that anytime you have good products or something that you want to sell, you can easily call them and tell them to patronize you more. I'm telling you, they are going to rush you with this method, because their angels will locate you and you are going to be in white. If angels want to locate you, you are going to be in white. That's why you are going to get 3 candles of this and a plate of this, 1 plate. Now, when you have this, what you are going to do next, the third ingredient is to get salt. Salt. This is the salt. You get salt. I'm using sea salt. You are not using processed salt like canapuna or something like you just enter your kitchen. No, this one, you can get it in the market. Just go to the market and say you want to buy salt. By the time you say you want to buy salt, they are going to give you salt, maybe probably 15 naira, according to Nigerian money, 15 or 100 naira, you buy one and you untie it at home and you are going to use it. What you are going to do is that you are going to mix the salt. You are going to put I did not measure it, just 1 spoon of this salt. You are going to put it there like this, and you are going to place your candle there, 3. You are going to place your candle, 3 candles there like this. This one will be 3 like this, 3 of it. We are going to be there. When you have the 3, then you will now kneel down in your house. You will wear clothes. Some people will say, don't wear clothes. Maybe you'll be naked. Nothing concern you with that cloth. Wear normal cloth that you have, and you will close your eyes. You are going to close your eyes and start imagining it. You are going to be attracting that power. You are going to attracting your angels, that angels. You are going to be attracting it. You are going to be bringing it. You understand? You are going to be bringing it. The angels, it's going to be like this. You understand? It's going to be 3. I'm not lying to you, it's going to be 3. It's something that I have tested and I've given a lot of people. And 2 women gave testimony of how customers are rushing them. And I look at it that I have to bring it to your notice too, that things are happening. Miracles are happening. Some of you will say, I'm a Christian now. I used to go to church. I used to say amen, amen, amen. That one is apart. You have to attract it. See, you have to attract some things. Some of you will say, I'm a Muslim. I used to go to a salatu. I used to pray. I used to do this. No, this one doesn't stop your religion. Doesn't stop what you believe. This is what is happening. It's a secret nobody will reveal to you. Nobody that is selling very well, nobody that is performing wonders in their shop and their business will never tell you this secret. That's why I'm telling you this. Not because I really want you to watch my video or I want you to, if you don't believe, without faith, it is impossible to please God. If you don't believe what I'm telling you, if you don't want to practice something, something happened in the Bible and they say, Jesus Christ said that with if not for the faith, they can't see this. Only if they believe. Yeah? In Matthew chapter 17, verse 20, if they believe. So if you believe, fine. If you don't believe, nothing, it doesn't do anything. What God will do it. So someone will say, he's a stupid babalawo. I'm not a babalawo. I'm not a babalawo person. But I'm telling you what I know. That's why I open this channel. And it's for those people that want to benefit. That's why this one is for. And I will not say more than that. So you are going to light this candle, the 3 candles. When you light the 3 candles, don't forget that you are going to place it. You are going to place it or everything in the middle of this of the plate. You are going to place it like this in the middle of the plate. When you place the 3 candles, you have lighted it, then you start praying. And the prayer, don't talk. Don't shout and say, no, with that one. The prayer you are going to pray is that you close your eyes. It can take, the 3 candles can take 30 minutes before it burns out. And you are going to see the wax. Nothing concerns you. No, your own is prayer. What you are going to pray inside, nobody, just do like this, as if you are meditating. When you are doing like this, as if you are meditating, when you are doing like this, as if you are meditating, you are going to be enjoying the benefit of God. You are going to be attracting. The law of nature will start working. The magnet, we are going to attract wealth to you, attract customers to you, attract good things to your life. This one is not, if you are looking for a husband, if you are looking for this, not like that though. This is pure market. You are going to be selling. Customers will be blooming at your shop and say, madam, so you are here all this while, we have not been seeing you. That's what I know about this thing. You have not been seeing you. And we have not been seeing you around. And so this is your shop. You'll be surprised that, oh, this is amazing. But don't forget that it's faith. It can take 30 minutes to burn out. Just continue to pray. After prayer, the wax, the candle wax will be inside the plate. So the following day in the morning, very early in the morning, by 6 o'clock in the morning, you can go and just dispose the waste, the wax outside. Then this plate is your own. It's still your own. You can take it from the kitchen. And also the candle has gone, and the salt too, you dispose everything and see what God will do. And see what God will do. Just wait and see. In fact, you can do it in the night before you sleep. What I'm talking about, you can do it in the night before you sleep, and immediately as you sleep, I didn't say you are going to see any dreams, or you are going to see some vision. No, I didn't say that. What I'm telling you is that immediately you sleep, just go and relax. Second days, when you stand up, go and what? Go and dispose it, and go to your shop. Go to your business. Go to your shop. Don't say you want to spray something on. No! Things work like magic because your angels of attraction has been activated. So angel will now be locating angels because all of us have angels. All of us have angels that are moving up and down. All of us have our own angel. Our own, your own angel will connect to their own angel, and they are going to be directed into your shop. Every one of them. You will not see. You will just be looking at it. Why is this thing happening? And if it happened, share your testimony. I'm telling you. See it in my Gmail there. Just send your testimony there. Send it. And if it's not working, there are 3 things that I want you to take note. Before you do it, abstain from sexual intercourse. Before you do this particular the recipe and what you have to put with faith, avoid it. Avoid it for 3 days. Avoid it for 3 days. That's the day. That first day that you have done it, don't even move closer. Don't do anything. Just stay away. Tell your partner to wait and calm down for just 3 days. Just count it 3 days. Let's say you do it on, you perform the ritual, normal simple ritual on Monday night. Tuesday, let there be break. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That 3 days, please. 3 days. 3 days. Just abstain. And number 2, that may not work, make this thing to work, is when you are having the menstrual pain, menstrual period, menstruation. You are menstruating. If you're a female, don't do it that day until you finish it. When you finish it, you cannot do it. You are free. You can't do it. You will do it because it is holy. I didn't say when you want to pray, like, no. You don't say it out. You pray, you close your eyes. You activate your angel. You activate your angel, and you will be seeing the power of universe, the law of nature, the power of attraction. Attract wealth to me, attract good customers to me, attract good thing to me, attract success to my business. I want to be having good customer. I want to be having good business. I want to be having money, even to pay my staff. I want my company to be known. I want my shop to be known national and international. You will see people connecting you. You'll be surprised. Thank you very much for this. I hope I've not wasted your time. If you want to meet, I didn't say you should use only one candle. I said 3 candles of these, 3 white candles. So some will say it's just only one candle. No, 3 candles. So you are going to use it, and I know that testimony will come your way. So feel free to connect me. Feel free to comment down below. Feel free to put this thing into practice because it works like magic. So thank you very much. Stay blessed. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel as we will see these spiritual tips every single day. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.